great stand as always, and fantastic night last night you put on for everyone here at the networking drinks.
Yeah, well, it's always nice to get the opportunity to see a lot of, people that we do work with, and obviously not just, delegates in the room, but also, our fellow exhibitors, sit around, blow the froth off a couple of big ass beers. It was really, really nice, and a nice way to bookend, what was a pretty hectic day.
Yeah, it's been a full-on conference, been, chock-a-block full of interest for a lot of people. How have you found it?
Yeah, look, it's been really, really busy. I think it's gone up a notch from last year, which is very, very pleasing. We've had a lot of genuine interest. I'm based here in Sydney, so yeah, a lot more people I'm familiar with, but B, hopefully I'll be seeing very, very soon. So yeah, I think overall it's been very, very productive.
Wonderful. And I love that, there's a great spread of other technology as well, not just the fans itself. So maybe tell us a little bit more about some of the diverse product range.
Yeah, look, I think we're a little unique in this environment here. I mean, if you look around the floor, it's a lot of very high-end technology, a lot of automation. Obviously, we do that, but probably in a slightly, a simpler application, which is just moving copious amounts of air around. But this year is a little bit different. We've now got one of our evaporative coolers here, which is a product that we haven't had recently, or previously, I should say. So it's a bit of a game change for us, and adds another. A really important product to our portfolio, and really assists with, more broadly what we're trying to achieve, which is, making workers more comfortable and improving productivity, and just bearing in mind that, things seem to be getting hotter and hotter and hotter, and, a lot of these issues aren't going away. So, we've now got, I guess, a solution for, not just your big areas, which is what people associate with big ass fans, but for a lot of nooks and crannies within facilities as well.
Yeah, you really are an airflow specialist, and making sure everyone's comfortable. You're a wonderful, part of the family now at CMAT, and everyone looks forward to the stand, and also, seeing what goodies you got as well, and the relationships that you built are really strong.
Yeah, look, I mean, a year goes around very, very quickly, and, it's always a nice touch point to re-engage with people. I mean, we do, run into a lot of, potential customers here who, we've been familiar with and working with, and every year it's just a really good touch point to, develop those relationships further and build out those partnerships. And, yeah, look, it's been very, very productive, and I imagine we'll be having this conversation again next year, I hope.
Yep, always good to chat. Thanks again for the support of CMAT and being on Import Export TV, Matt.
Yeah, look, it's our pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.